Hello, Maya. I was in the neighborhood for something important I needed to discuss with Ethan, so I thought I'd stop by and greet you both. Is he around?
He's not back yet. Why didn't you call him before coming over? It's a bit inconvenient to just show up. We have a very tight schedule this evening, and I was just about to start a private project.
Oh, Ethan knows. I might drop by today. We spoke briefly this morning. I didn't realize it would be a problem. I just have some family documents he asked for, and
I thought I'd bring over some of that lamb stew he likes so much.
Well, you'll have to wait in the living room until he's back. We usually prefer to know when we're having guests. It helps us manage the household better.
I see. Well, I don't mean to be a guest, dear. I'm just his mother. I'll just sit quietly until he arrives. I'm sure he won't be long. Being family doesn't change the fact that this is a private residence. I'll be in the kitchen. If you need water, the glasses are in the cabinet, but I'd prefer if you didn't move things around.
Ethan should be here in 20 minutes.
Mom, what a surprise! I thought I will get home before you. I didn't think you'd be here yet.
Ethan, dear, I finished early and wanted to surprise you.
I'm so glad you're here.
Have you been waiting long? I'm sorry I got caught in that pileup on the highway.
No, dear, not long at all. I've just been sitting here taking in your lovely decor.
Well, I'm glad you made it. I've been looking forward to those documents we talked about. Look, I'm covered in the city's dust. I'm gonna go upstairs, freshen up, and get out of this suit.
Of course, dear. Take your time.
I'll join you in 10 minutes and we can talk properly. Can I get you anything first?
No. Go on. I'm fine right here.
I'll be right back down.
Why didn't you tell me your mother was coming over? I'm sitting there in my own house feeling like a stranger because she just appeared.
She called me when she was on her way, Maya. I thought I'd beat her home, but the traffic was worse than I expected. How is this an issue? It's my mother. She's here for 10 minutes. You're acting like we've been invaded.
It's an issue because she doesn't have the right to come to our house uninvited. She has to call and ask permission if she steps foot in here. I don't care who she is. This is about respect for our space and my peace of mind.
Our house? Maya, let's be very clear.
We aren't even married yet, and you're already trying to gatekeep my mother from visiting me? This isn't a museum. It's a home.
I don't care. Even if we were married, she needs to call. It's common courtesy. My own mother wouldn't even dream of coming over without telling me first. She knows better.
And if your mother did come over to see you because it was important, do you think I'd stand at the door and interrogate her like she was a trespasser? No.
Because I respect your family, and I understand that life doesn't always happen by appointment.
It's about the principle of the matter. You need to go back out there right now and tell her to go home. Tell her she can come back another time after she's called, and we've cleared the schedule.